when you're doing kind of function calling or basic you're creating a chatbot or something like that, then I think this will be a very good use case for this model. Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. So today I'll be testing out the Phi-3 medium and we'll be benchmarking it across various tasks and various prompts. So before doing that, make sure you have Olama installed and also OpenWebUI installed. If you haven't installed that, I've made videos on it, so you can click the I section or check in the description for those videos. They are small and quick. You can get ready for this test or for any other model that you want to use. So if you have all of that, let's start. So what I will be doing is, first I will be going into Docker and OpenWebUI is running in that. So okay, so let's run OpenWebUI. So before that, I think I have to run Olama as well. So I'll be going into my terminal and I'll be typing Olama s. So it may take some time to start up Olama. Okay, so as you guys can see here, Olama has started. Now let's go back to Open Web UI. Let's do a quick refresh, and now we will be having all the models. So this is the model that I am gonna use. This is Phi-3 14B and it is a 4-bit quantized model which Olama gives you by default. So this is what we'll be testing. So let us test this for various prompts. So let's test for the first prompt. It is write a Python script to output numbers 1 to 100. So let's run it. I think for the first load up, it is taking some time, to initialize the model. So let's wait for a while. Also, screen recording is going on in the background. Okay. So okay, it has given us the code. Let's copy it and run it. Okay. So the code runs. So it is a pass. Prompt is write a snake game in Python. So let's run it. Okay, the model is not selected. We'll select the model. Okay. Now let's run it. I think it's pretty fast because of the 4-bit quantization, and it may take some time for this code to complete. So I'll skip the part and show the full code to you. Okay, so it has given the complete code. It has used the Pygame library. So let us now run this code and see if it works or not. So there are actually 10 errors in it. Okay, so let's run this and see what is the error message. Name width is not defined. So we'll copy this error message and give it just one more try. Ask it, please correct this issue and give me complete correct code. So actually I told it to give me the updated code, but as you can see, it started with you know doing it correctly, but in the black color it has mentioned e barrier instead of 0, which should be the actual the notation for black. And even after writing these steps, it goes off course and just typing something that is meaningless. So this is a fail. We asking it a reasoning question. This is a logical question. The question is, a murderer is condemned to death. He must choose between three rooms after his sentence is passed. The first is full of raging fire, the second is full of assassins with their guns loaded, the third is full of lions that haven't eaten in 6 months. So which room should he choose? So the answer is obviously third room, because the lions haven't eaten for 6 months, so they are not alive, practically. So let's see what the answer is coming. Okay, so let's run it. So it has given us a long answer, but as you can see, it says that the condemned man should opt for the third room because it has lions and they have not eaten in 6 months, so they are dead. So this is a pass. Now let's move on to level 2 reasoning question, or a quietly harder reasoning question. The question is, you are a pilot flying a plane. The plane is empty when you start your journey. At first airport, 5 passengers board the plane. At the second airport, 10 more passengers board and 3 passengers get off. At the third airport, 7 passengers get off and 6 passengers board. So what is the pilot's name? As you see, all of this information is not needed, but at the start it said that you are a pilot flying a name, so the pilot name is gonna be me, or it's gonna say that I am not a person. So either of these answers is gonna work. So let's see if if it passes or not. Okay, so this is the answer that we get. It is says that the number of passengers is a clever diversion from the main point, but the main point is asking the question as for my name, I am Phi from Microsoft. So it is a pass to max question. This is a level 1 simple max question. So let's give it and see if it passes or fails. Okay, model is not selected. Let's select the model. Now let's run it. Let's see. Okay, so it got the correct answer. The answer is 23. So this is a pass. Let's move on to next. Okay, now let's move on to level 2 max question. So this is a question where you have to use PEMDAS or BODMAS to solve it. So let's see if it's able to solve it. Okay, let's give it the question. So it says we have to perform the multiplication and division from left to right and all of that. It has not mentioned that it has to use PEMDAS or anything. And the answer is 59.54. Actually, the answer is minus 60.54. So let's give it another try. Okay, now it says that it have to use PAMDAS or BODMAS. So let's see if it's able to solve this or not. Okay, now it has got the answer 60.54. Okay, so the first trial I will consider it as a quantization error. So it is a pass. Let's move on to an even harder max question. The question is, in a certain non-leap year, January 1 was Monday. What day of the week was April 1 of the same year? So the correct answer is Sunday. Let's see if this model is able to get the correct answer. So it's telling that it has 365 days, discounting all of the days and dividing it by 7. So after that it says that it is a Tuesday. So this is not the correct answer. The answer is Sunday. So it is a fail. Let's move on to the next test. Let's move on to word recognition and understanding. And the first question is, this is a very big paragraph about the British Empire. And here I have included three words: I, love, and you, which do not include, do not belong to that place. Now, at the end, I have asked this question. There are three words in this passage that don't belong to the passage on the place they are in. They together form a sentence with a meaning. Find those three words and from them form the sentence. So let's ask it if it's able to find it out. Okay. To select the models. Okay. Let's select the model and run it. Let's see if it's able to find it out. It also works as a, multiple needle in a haystack kind of problem. So it has said the answer is you British, which is not the correct answer. Let's give it another try. So now it has given us some other set of words. So this is a fail. Let's move on to the next question. Third question. Write a meaningful sentence where each word starts with the next alphabet. Start from A and end the sentence in Z. So let's see. It has to use all the characters. I have to select the model. Okay. So it has to use all the characters, all the alphabets. So let's see if it's able to do that. Astonished, brave, C D E F G H I J O P Q R S X. So as you can see, it has not used the letter Y here. You can see after Z, X it is taking Z. So this is a fail as well. To the next question. The question is, give me 10 sentences that end with the word mango. Let's see if it's able to get this right. So first sentence ends with mango, second one ends with mango, third one doesn't end with a mango, and fourth one ends, fifth one, Okay, so I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think out of 10, 5 sentences were not ending with the word mango, so this is a fail. Let's move on to the next test. Next question. How many words are in your response to this prompt? So let's ask this question. So my response contained 10 words, so it is absolutely wrong. As we all could see the performance of the Phi-3 medium 14 billion model. In coding, it was able to do the easy coding parts, but it could not create the snake game, so it is not that very good in coding. In reasoning, it was pretty good. It was able to answer all the questions that we gave. And in max, we could see that it was able to do easy and intermediate level of questions, but not the hard one. And in word understanding, it was not able to do one of the questions. Actually, word understanding is pretty hard, and the top of state of the art model GPT-4 also, I think, can only get 2 points in this, so it's pretty much understood. So what is my take on Phi-3 14 billion model? So as you could see, in reasoning it was nice, and in max it was quite good. So basic reasoning, when you are talking, having conversation, or you're doing basic max, then I think this 5 3 14 billion model is very nice. You're when you're doing kind of function calling, or basic you're creating a chatbot or something like that, then I think this will be a very good use case for this model. But going into coding and all of that, it's not able to do it. So this is my take on 5 3 14 billion model. In future we will be testing all the other models as well and ranking them. I am searching for even good questions, so that we can develop a comprehensive benchmark. If you liked my effort and liked this test, I would highly suggest you to like this channel and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.